Ever feel stuck, trapped in the daily grind, yearning for something more? You're not alone. Millions dream of escaping the 9-to-5, ditching the cubicle, and exploring the world. Welcome to the world of digital nomadism. Imagine this: waking up on a beach in Bali, laptop in hand, the sound of waves crashing nearby. Or perhaps you're nestled in a cozy cafe in Prague, sipping espresso as you tackle your to-do list. That's the allure of being a digital nomad. Freedom to choose your office, your hours, your life. It's about trading in the mundane for the extraordinary. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. It takes guts, planning, and a whole lot of hustle. The digital nomad movement is exploding. More and more people are trading their suits for swimsuits, their commutes for coconut water. Why? Because the internet has broken down geographical barriers. We can now work from anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. The traditional office is becoming obsolete, replaced by the freedom and flexibility of remote work. People from all walks of life are embracing the digital nomad lifestyle. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or marketer, there's a place for you in the digital nomad economy. Now before you pack your bags and book a one-way ticket to Thailand, let's get real. Becoming a successful digital nomad takes more than just a desire for adventure. It requires careful planning, financial savvy, and a whole lot of self-discipline. This isn't about escaping responsibility, it's about taking control of your destiny. You'll need to be resourceful, adaptable, and comfortable with uncertainty. Imagine the freedom of setting your own schedule, answering to no one but yourself. So, are you ready to ditch the cubicle and embrace the unknown? The adventure starts now. Okay, let's talk about the practical stuff. Before you trade your alarm clock for a sunrise over the Aegean Sea, you need a safety net. I'm talking about financial security. Don't quit your day job just yet. Start by building up an emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses, ideally more. This cushion will give you peace of mind as you navigate the ups and downs of freelance life. Next, create a bare-bones budget. Figure out your essential expenses: housing, food, utilities, internet. Be realistic, even a little conservative. Once you have a handle on your spending, you can start exploring ways to earn income online. Think of your emergency fund as your freedom fund. Section 2, the toolkit. Now let's talk gear. Being a digital nomad doesn't require a lot of stuff, but there are a few essentials you'll need to invest in. First and foremost, a reliable laptop. This is your office, your entertainment center, your connection to the world. Don't skimp here. Choose a machine that's lightweight, portable, and powerful enough to handle your workload. Next up, a fast and secure VPN. Public Wi-Fi is a fact of life for digital nomads, but it's also a security risk. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, protecting your sensitive data from hackers and snoopers. Don't forget noise-canceling headphones. Finally, invest in a good portable power bank. Section 3. The legal nomad. Before you jet off to your dream destination, let's talk about the not-so-fun stuff: legalities. Yes, even nomads need to follow the rules. First up, visas. Don't assume you can just show up in a foreign country and start working. Many countries have specific visa requirements for remote workers. Research your options carefully and make sure you have the proper documentation before you go. Taxes are another important consideration. As a digital nomad, your tax obligations can get complicated. It's best to consult with a tax professional who specializes in international taxation. Insurance is also crucial. Make sure you have adequate health insurance that covers you internationally. Section 1. The writer's craft. Words are your weapons. They paint pictures, spark emotions, and drive action. And guess what? The online world is starving for great writers. From blog posts to website copy, social media captions to email marketing, the demand for compelling content is higher than ever. The best part? You can do it from anywhere. Start by building a portfolio showcasing your best work. Target clients in specific niches that interest you, whether it's travel, technology, or sustainable living. Platforms like Upwork and ProBlogger offer a marketplace to connect with potential clients. The beauty of freelance writing is that your income potential is directly tied to your effort and skill. Do you see the world in terms of color palettes and font pairings? Then graphic design might be your ticket to a nomadic lifestyle. In a world dominated by visuals, businesses crave eye-catching graphics to captivate their audience. From logos and branding to website layouts and social media graphics, the possibilities are endless. Master design software like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, and build a portfolio that showcases your creativity and technical skills. Platforms like Dribbble and Behance are great places to showcase your work and connect with potential clients. The key is to specialize in a niche that aligns with your interests and skills. If you're fluent in the language of computers, then the world is your oyster. Software developers are in high demand, and many companies are embracing remote work arrangements. Whether you're a front-end wizard, a back-end guru, or a full-stack ninja, your coding skills are highly valuable in today's digital economy. Platforms like GitHub and Stack Overflow are excellent resources for showcasing your coding prowess and connecting with potential employers. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and TopTal also offer opportunities for developers to find short-term and long-term projects. The key is to continuously learn and adapt to new technologies and programming languages. Embrace the challenge of lifelong learning and you'll be well positioned to thrive as a nomadic developer. Sharing knowledge has never been easier, thanks to the rise of online learning. If you have a passion for teaching and expertise in a particular subject, why not share it with the world? Online teaching offers incredible flexibility and the potential to reach a global audience, all from the comfort of your laptop. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare make it easy to create and sell online courses on a wide range of topics. Whether you're teaching a new language, sharing your photography skills, or offering business coaching, there's an audience eager to learn from you. The key is to create high-quality content that provides value to your students. Plus, you can teach from anywhere with an internet connection, making it an ideal career path for digital nomads. So, you want to be a digital nomad wielding words like a magic wand? Great. But remember, even Harry Potter needed training at Hogwarts. Your journey starts with honing your writing skills. Luckily, the internet is your personal room of requirement, offering a treasure trove of resources. Start with free online writing courses. Platforms like Coursera and edX offer courses on everything from grammar and punctuation to storytelling and content marketing. Want to dive deeper? Invest in paid workshops or mentorship programs from established writers? Remember, practice makes perfect. Write every day, even if it's just for 15 minutes. The more you write, the better you'll become. Graphic design is more than just making things look pretty. It's about communicating visually, grabbing attention, and telling a story through images and typography. First, master the tools of the trade. Enroll in online courses or watch tutorials on software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. These are your magic wands, so learn their every spell and shortcut. Experiment with different design styles, from minimalist to vibrant, and find what resonates with you. Build a portfolio that showcases your best work. Choose projects that excite you, even if they're just for practice. Share your work on platforms like Behance and Dribbble, and seek feedback from other designers. The important thing is to develop your own unique voice and find clients who appreciate your vision. Coding is the language of the future, and learning it is like unlocking a superpower. But just like any superhero, you need to train hard and master your skills. The good news is, you don't need a fancy degree to become a coding ninja. The internet is your personal coding dojo, offering countless resources to level up your skills. Start with free online courses and tutorials. Platforms like Codecademy, Free Code Camp, and Khan Academy offer interactive lessons for all skill levels, from complete beginners to seasoned coders. Choose a programming language that excites you, whether it's Python, JavaScript, or Ruby on Rails, and dive in headfirst. Practice is key. Build your own projects, even if they're just simple websites or games. The more skills you acquire, the more valuable you become as a digital nomad. Section 4. Teaching Masterclass. Sharing knowledge is powerful. With online learning, you can become a digital nomad professor. Identify your niche. What are you passionate about? Package your knowledge into an engaging online course. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easy. Engage your students and deliver real value. Teach from anywhere, perfect for the adventurous digital nomad. Section 1. Writer's Wallet. Let's talk turkey, or should we say tacos? You're freelancing to fuel your adventures, right? So, how much can a newbie wordsmith realistically earn? It's not about instant riches, but building a steady climb. Start with lower rates, 5 to 10 cents per word. Focus on quantity and building a portfolio. Gain experience, and you can command higher rates. Blogging gigs might pay $50 to $150 initially. Land a sweet spot with a website needing regular content. Think monthly retainers for consistent work. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Don't just rely on content mills. Target businesses directly, showcase your niche expertise. A travel blogger charging $50 per fluffy post won't make it rain. But a specialized SEO writer crafting website copy for adventure travel companies? That's how you level up your income. Section 2. Design dollars. For aspiring digital nomad designers, the early days are about building your portfolio and reputation. With persistence and talent, paychecks can become as vibrant as your designs. Freelance platforms might land you gigs paying $50 to $150 per project. Logo design, social media graphics, basic website elements, these are your stepping stones. As you gain experience, you can charge more. Think $250, $500, even $1,000 or more per project. Building a strong online presence with a killer portfolio is key to attracting high-paying gigs. Remember, value-based pricing is your friend. Don't undervalue your skills. Section 3. Coding Cash. Calling all code warriors. The demand for skilled developers is sky high, making it a lucrative path for digital nomads. Even as a newbie, you can command a decent income, especially if you choose your battles wisely. Entry-level freelance gigs might pay $20 to $30 per hour, especially for front-end work like website development or simple app features. Focus on building a portfolio showcasing clean code and successful projects. As you gain experience and specialize in in-demand languages or frameworks, that hourly rate can skyrocket. Think $50, $75, even $100+ per hour for experienced developers, especially in fields like blockchain or AI. Remember, remote work opens doors to international clients. While US and European companies might pay top dollar, consider working with startups in emerging markets. You'll gain valuable experience, build your network, and potentially earn a comfortable income, even if the hourly rate is slightly lower. Section 4. Teaching treasures. Sharing knowledge isn't just fulfilling, it can also be financially rewarding for digital nomad educators. While building an online course empire takes time, the earning potential is vast. Initially, focus on creating a high-quality course on a platform like Udemy. Pricing can be competitive, with courses often sold for $10 to $50 during promotions. The key is volume. Attract students through engaging marketing and stellar reviews. As you gain a following and establish yourself as an expert, consider launching your own website and selling courses independently. This gives you control over pricing and allows you to build a direct relationship with your students. Think beyond one-off courses. Offer coaching packages, membership sites with premium content, or even live workshops. These higher-ticket offerings can generate significant income, especially if you provide exceptional value and build a loyal community. Section 1. The Nomadic Mindset. So, you've heard the tales from the digital nomad frontier. You've seen the Instagram-worthy photos, the laptops perched precariously on beachside tables. But remember, becoming a successful digital nomad is about more than just a change of scenery. It's a mindset shift. It's about embracing freedom and flexibility, about taking responsibility for your own destiny. It's about being comfortable with uncertainty, with stepping outside your comfort zone and embracing the unknown. It's about being resourceful, adaptable, and always eager to learn and grow. The truth is, the digital nomad life isn't for everyone. It takes guts, grit, and a whole lot of hustle. But if you're willing to put in the work, to embrace the challenges and celebrate the victories, the rewards can be life-changing. Section 2. Your adventure starts now. The beauty of the digital nomad lifestyle is that it's accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a hunger for something more. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a developer, or a teacher, there's a place for you in this global community of location-independent professionals. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your skills, saving your pennies, and researching your dream destinations. The world is waiting to be explored, 1 gig at a time. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today. Start small, dream big, and never stop exploring. The life you've always dreamed of is closer than you think. Go out there and make it happen. Your adventure starts now.